Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the 67 Austin minivan. So I bought this sometime back, but I didn't unbox this yet. So I thought of unboxing it this week. Okay, so I bought this for 179, which is the MRP, and this comes under the art car series. So let's unbox this here and see how this one looks. Okay, I'm feeling thirsty. Okay, here it is. Okay, so out of the box, the casting looks good. So it has a lot of things going on, in this art department here. So I can't actually see much of an issue because of that. Because I don't know whether it's supposed to be like that or it is just a paint issue, just like the things you are seeing here, right? So if it is supposed to be like that, then I can't say anything there. But there are no headlight details here. I mean, which is supposed to be there, and there are no taillight details either. I mean, that is really sad. And you can see the interior detail here. Honestly, the interior doesn't look really good on this one. The steering wheel and all, it looks like a block of ice. Not good, not good, honestly not good. Okay, so the body is fully metal and the chassis is plastic. And so but one thing is the rims, does complement the car really well. It has the slight ice blue tint to it. I mean, that matches with this windshield, which also has that ice blue tint, which I personally love. And it has rear view mirror as well. And but nothing much. You can see the exhaust detailing here. The whole chassis is blued out or painted in blue. However, you can keep that. Okay, so okay, the color scheme complements the car really well. But rest of the things, like, it doesn't have the actual detailing which it's supposed to have, like the headlights or tail lights. Even the interior looks really not good. Okay, it says yeah, that's it. I'm not sure what it is supposed to spell out this time. So I mean, if you guys know, drop it in the comments, so that would make actually interact us more. Okay, so let's weigh this casting now. Okay, 37 grams, that is good. I'm really hoping that this would roll really well. Let's see. It's okay. Okay, try again. Okay, the front wheel doesn't touch the track really well. You can see it stops a little bit here and there without rolling. But still it rolls till end of the track. That is really nice. Okay. It is rolling okay, I guess, but not good or too good, because the front wheel doesn't even touch the track most of the time. So let's rate this car. So right out of the bat, I'm reducing one for the headlight and taillight details. I mean, and one for that stupid shitty interior. Sorry to use that language, but I really don't like that, because you can see that, right? It doesn't even look like a steering wheel there. So 2 I'm reducing out of 10. So 8 out of 10. And again, so if you really love Austin minis, I mean, either it's Mini Cooper or Mini Van, whatever it is, then go ahead and get it. I do have an Austin minivan by this tiny HK, I guess. I don't know if you guys remember that. I showcased that car during my Malaysia, hunt videos. I actually showcased in those videos. So that looked really nice. It has some Coca-Cola bottle and all with Coca-Cola livery. That is this exact casting. So this looks okay. It is not too good or anything. So rest is up to you guys. It's your personal preference at this point. So okay, even this car I'm not going to suggest as of now. So both stays under the suggestion level as of now. This one and even that Honda Civic EF. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.